Hello everybody, back down here at the river again. She's still up, but it's not come across the top of the bridge yet. It looks like it's went down some, but I figured it'd be up higher than what it was. We hadn't had a whole lot of rain today. It's been raining here and there. I see state must have come and got that one big log away from the bridge that was right here. They've sort of put this back up here and laid it up here. That piece, I guess a log had knocked it off. There's that big tree there. Cut it. That big log right there in the water. The river's still moving on pretty good up, y'all. I'd like to have some of them big rocks down there to go up there at Mom's house in the yard there. There's some big old rocks there, ain't you? See, that river was up here at one time. See where them weeds is washed back there. It had to probably be over that bridge there at one time or another. See the falls up yonder. I just thought I'd come down here to check to see what it was looking like, y'all. Drizzling a little bit of rain now, not much, but a little bit. I think the rain's probably about over with for now. We've been raining here all week up, y'all. We needed some rain because it was awful dry. Maybe tomorrow it'd be nice enough I can get out and mow the yard. Y'all have a blessed day. Remember, Jesus loves us all. Till the next video, y'all take care now.